So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Bluetooth support service. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to scroll down till we find Bluetooth. Click on run. And now this will come up. You want to click on yes to run the diagnostics. You want to follow through all these steps that will come up here and then see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Intel Wireless Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And now once you're on this, you want to select the latest version. Now you want to scroll down and then click on download. And then click on I accept. It's now going to start downloading. If it's not downloading, then you want to click right here where it says download manually. It should now be downloaded. You want to click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to click on next. And then once this comes up again, you want to click on next. And then click on I accept. And then click on next. And then click on typical. And then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to click on finish. Now you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.